अब चलो क्या बोलिए.
Yes, children, as all of you know, the parts of the speech, the noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjectives, and preposition. So today we will read and study about the preposition. A preposition is a word that is used before a noun or pronoun. The word preposition can be easily understood by pre plus position. Pre plus position. Pre is prefix. That means before. Here you see the examples. The cup is on the table. The ball is under the table. Mohan looked at the gate to enter. Mohan stood beside the table. Here, on, under, at, and besides are preposition. Now we understand the kinds of preposition. First of all, we see simple preposition. The simple preposition we see the table is made of wood. The cow is in the field. She is waiting at the gate. We walk on green grass. Here you see in first sentence the of and in, a, on are prepositions. Here you see in the first sentence the of shows the relation between the table and the wood. In the same way, in shows the relation between the cow and the field. And in the same way, third sentence, it shows the relation between the sea and the gate. And in the same way, in the fourth sentence, on shows the relation between bee and grass. These are simple prepositions. Now we see the compound preposition. Here you see, I came the day before yesterday. He cannot walk without a stick. The noise came from across the river. Here you see, before means by plus 4. And in the same way, without with plus out. And here you see the across on plus across. So these are the compound preposition. In the same way, the phrase preposition. He acted according to my instructions. There is a big tree in front of his house. Amit came to the party along with his brother. Here you see, children, phrase preposition is phrase, like a phrase. Here you see, which don't have a verb and subject, but a group of words. Such prepositions are called the phrase preposition. So I think all of you understand the preposition and the kinds of the preposition. Today we will give you some homework. Children, you see these exercise for your homework. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate preposition. You do all the sentences. Here I have given you 7 sentences. You will do it in your homework notebook and you will show me when you will come to school. Thank you.
ठीक सर.